In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit vendor names on products using Shopify. This is a key task that helps keep your store organized and ensures that your customers have the best shopping experience possible. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, look for the section labeled My Store or simply Home. This dashboard serves as the control center for your Shopify store, where you can manage everything from orders to store settings. Being familiar with navigating this space is essential for running a successful e-commerce business. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and click on Products. This will bring up a comprehensive list of all the products your store offers. Your products are the lifeblood of your business, so it's crucial to have all your product details accurately listed. Properly managing these details can improve searchability and lead to greater customer satisfaction. Once you've accessed your product list, look for the specific item that you'd like to update. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume you're going to edit an item called Example Shirt 2. Clicking on this product will open a detailed view, which at first glance might seem overwhelming with all its options and data points. However, don't worry, just focus on finding the information you want to change. In the detailed product view, locate the section titled Product Organization. This section is instrumental for structuring how your products are presented in your store, helping with both search and categorization. It's a good idea to get into the habit of ensuring this information is correct as you add or edit products in your inventory. From here, look for the Type option. Clicking on Type may seem counterintuitive since we're interested in editing the vendor name, but this is the initial step to get to the right place. Once you've clicked on it, another option will become available: Vendor. Now finally, click on Vendor. This will allow you to alter the vendor name associated with your product. Editing the vendor information can be essential, especially if you work with multiple suppliers or have recently changed suppliers for a product. Accurate vendor details also enhance your product management system's efficiency, making future adjustments easier. Remember to save all changes before exiting this window to ensure your updates are applied. Failure to do so could result in outdated information being visible in your store, which can be misleading for customers and confusing for you when it comes to inventory and order management. And that's it. You've successfully edited the vendor name for a product in your Shopify store. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks around optimizing your e-commerce experience. Thanks for watching.